So this is an updated review on the soft vehicle interior brush made by Vikan. So where do I use this? I mainly use it on commercial vehicles, generally on the floor, because you can cover a large area fairly quickly, and a lot of commercial vehicles, as you probably all know, normally get quite muddy, so it works quite well. This is after, I think, about 5-6 months of use. So as you can see, it's doing quite well. It's not, the bristles are not too bad a condition, considering it gets used probably twice a week, maybe, I think. So it's doing quite well. Well worth having if you're a car valeter, vehicle valeter, and you do commercials and you go into them and the floors are like really muddy and quite bad, and you want a dedicated sort of soft brush just to help remove all the dirt with some all-purpose cleaner. It's definitely a good choice. It's not too expensive to buy. So there we go. Excuse me. So it's doing quite well. Definitely well worth getting. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next upload. Ta-da for now.